What's up, guys? Biker Dave here in a newer Honda Civic. Many Hondas suffer from this. Look at the visor. It will not stay up. Something is broken inside here. You know, you can do all you want to it. It won't even go down very easily. I mean, it's very stiff and creaky and whatnot. Horrible. And this is a common Honda problem. We see it all the time here at Christian Brothers Automotive in Canton, Georgia. And I don't have a fix for you. If you have a fix for it, please post it in the comments so we can inform our customers. Otherwise, you have to replace the entire sun visor, and that is not cheap. So yeah, very ridiculous of why that happens, where these just stay down. And it's a safety concern as well, because your head could hit that right there, you know, in an impact or something. You could bump right into it because it will not stay up. So stupid. Anyway, I know this video didn't help anyone, but I want to know if you have fixes for it other than replacement. Please comment down below. And look at our other videos. We got hundreds of other videos relating to cars, dirt bikes, ATVs, scooters, golf carts, classic cars, motocross bikes, Harleys, Hondas, Yamahas, just tons of stuff. So check out our channel, and we're always adding new stuff. So like, subscribe, follow, and hope you all have a great day. We'll see you later.